Bicol University, known as BU by many, is a premier state university in the Bicol region. This was founded last June 21st of 1969 under Republic Act 5521, and this was institutionalized last 21st of September 1970 under Resolution Number 1 of the Board of Regents. Bicol University has evolved from 6 reputable institutions to establish the first ever state university in Region 5. Bicol University promotes 4 pillars: scholarship, leadership, character, and service that every BUenyo must embody. The Bicol University College of Business, Economics, and Management, BU-CBEM as it is called, legally started as a college last September 10, 2004. Through the years, BU-CBEM has become one of the top-performing colleges in Bicol University. The Bicol University College of Business, Economics, and Management is committed to providing every student a high level of mastery and competence in business, economics, and management, equipping us not just to be competitive when it comes to regional and national level, but also on an international level. The Bachelor of Science in Accountancy has been the facet of Bicol University Dalaga Campus and brought the whole university into the spotlight when it was hailed as one of the top-performing schools in the licensure examination for certified public accountants during the years 2015 and 2016.
The Bicol University Bachelor of Science and Accountancy program has attained Level 3 accreditation, and over the years, the BU Accountancy program has produced several top-notchers.
Basta magaling, sa CBEM nang galing. Why did you choose BS Accountancy?
My decision to pursue this degree in college is anchored to practicality. So I believe that having a degree in accountancy under my belt would give me a substantial edge in seeking employment not only locally but also internationally. Yeah.
All right, thank you. For the next question, so far, how's your experiences in your course?
To be honest, it was very, very challenging. It is mentally, emotionally, and physically exhausting.
Alright, grabe, ang hirap naman pala talaga, ano?
Yes.
So, for the last question, what are your goals or plans as a future accountant?
My plan really is just to graduate and pass the Sipale and hopefully work abroad.
Alright, thank you so much, Mex, for participating in our interview. Why did you choose BS Accountancy?
Honestly, BS Accountancy wasn't my first choice during application periods, and it wasn't even part of my choices. So I merely relied on the suggestion of my parents, which was to take accountancy, which according to them was the most practical course. So I just went with it.
Alright, thank you. For the second question, so far, kumusta naman ang experiences mo sa course na BS Accountancy?
As for my experience sa course na to, it has been filled with anxiety and adjustments. So, to compare the difficulty level between my 6 years of high school and in college as of now, it is immense or unfathomable almost. So, the challenges that we have been facing since day one has been taking a toll on our mental and physical health.
Alright. And now, for the last question, what are your goals or plans as a future accountant?
For my goals, first as a student, would just be to pass all my subjects, because considering the difficulty of every subject, to pass everything would be the ultimate goal of every BSA student. So as a future accountant, siguro to pass the Sipale and become a renowned or a successful accountant.
Alright, thank you so much, Mr., for participating in our interview.